now he is going back to Bangladesh. Patrick?
Yeah.
Washroom. About this journey, what are we going to do? Where are we going to go? Tell them.
Now we are going to.
Yes.
Yes!
Asif, Atik.
Bye, Macha.
Bye, Macha. Bye,
I
Macha.
planned one.
Hello, my friends. 28th December. The time is 11:26. You didn't see the clock? Yeah, it's 11:26. And I'm leaving Sri Lanka. I'm about to leave Sri Lanka at 12:30. So where am I heading to? I'm coming to Bangladesh because I will be covering BPL and I will meet my friend Asif and Abir. Yes, so I will meet them and I'm about to explore Bangladesh as a Sri Lankan. So yeah, my dad is calling. We'll call him later. And to be very honest, this is my first time out of Sri Lanka. I have never gone out of the country before this. So it's going to be a whole new experience for me. And I'm behaving like I'm a pro at these things, but I'm so rookie. Yes. So see you in Bangladesh soon. So here's the thing. The time is 11:46 now. About 30 minutes are remaining for my flight. Okay. And know what happened? I want to go to the washroom. I never expected this. I was making fun of my friends when they told that they get scared whenever they are about to get onto a flight. In my case, I never thought that it would happen with me as well. So yeah, washroom. Hello. The time is 3:15 p.m. I'm in Chennai Airport, India. So it's a transit, and I will be traveling to Dhaka. I think the flight is at 5:30. Yes, it was scheduled to take off before that, but unfortunately because of a fog in Guwahati, it has been postponed. So Dhaka, it will take me some more time to see you, and I'm very excited this time around to come to Bangladesh and enjoy cricket and your culture. Eagerly waiting. Hey, so this is Patrick from Ghana and we met at the Chennai airport and now he is going back to Bangladesh. Patrick,
Yeah?
do you know anything about cricket?
Cricket?
Yeah, cricket.
No?
Cricket is a sport. You don't know cricket, you know football.
Okay. I love football. I love football.
You know football, okay. So do you know, Ghana has a good football team, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they do. And do you know baseball? Baseball, there's a player hitting with the bat, okay, and there's a guy throwing the ball. You know baseball?
If you throw the ball, they will the ball.
Ah, exactly. Cricket is something like that, okay. So I am going to Bangladesh to watch Bangladesh Premier League. I am a Sri Lankan, okay. You know Sri Lanka?
Sri Lanka, no?
You don't know Sri Lanka as well, oh my god. Sri Lanka is close to India and we are an island. We are one of the most beautiful islands in the world, Sri Lanka. And now I am going to Bangladesh to watch Bangladesh Premier League. It's a cricket league. Okay?
Okay.
So you are going to Bangladesh as well, no?
Yeah.
So you should also come to watch the Bangladesh Premier League.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, I'll join you. Thank you.
Okay, my friends. So here I am in Bangladesh. My first time to Bangladesh. My friends Asif, Abir are here to pick me, and we are going to explore Bangladesh. And guys, what are we going to do throughout this journey? What are we going to do? Where are we going to go? Tell them.
Now we are going to my home. Then we are planning what we are do in next days.
Yes, upcoming days we'll be out to do a lot of things. And thank you so much, my friend from Bangladesh, Asif. You know how we met? Can you remember how we met, Asif?
We met 4 months ago in Gaul. First time.
Exactly, when Bangladesh came to Sri Lanka, and some of our videos together went viral, and we should remind Najat as well, our friend from Sri Lanka. Asif invited me to come, so here I am in Bangladesh, and
So let's go.
Yes, so let's go.
Let's create some movement in Bangladesh.
Okay. Oh my god, the first thing I bought after landing in Dhaka is nothing but this. Actually, I didn't bought it, Asif got it for me. And okay. Yes. Asif, Atik, Abir. So these are my friends in Bangladesh, and we are going to explore the country. So this is the end of the. This is day one vlog, okay? This is the vlog,
day one,
okay?
yes.
End of day one, okay? And what
Bye,
are we-
bye, Macha.
Bye, Macha.
Bye, Macha.
Bye, Macha. Bye,
I
Macha.
planned
And how to say bye, Macha in Bengal language?
Tata.
Tata. Tata. Just Tata. Tata.